Welcome to the Growth Bite. Today we are going to talk about time management. Time management is a misnomer. You cannot manage time. You only manage the events in your life in relation to time. Therefore, time management is about organizing yourself and your work to make the most out of the time you have. Let's look at the major themes arising from time management. 1. There is creating an environment conducive to effectiveness. We can have things like setting of priorities. We can look at the related processes of reduction of time spent on non-priorities, and lastly, implementation of goals. When you look at these major themes, they lead us into how to manage things that steal your time. So things that steal your time may include things like procrastination, internet or social media, mobile phones, other people, spending time on low priority actions. However, if you want to do away with these, there are several ways that we can use to manage time effectively. 1. We need to set goals correctly. Goals must be written down. Work out long, medium, short-term goals. Having a clear idea about your goals will help you plan what you need to do in terms of personal, family goals, spiritual, business, and self-improvement goals. We can prioritize wisely and organize ourselves. So when you prioritize and organize yourself, you have an organized plan of action. That is, action without planning will deter progress. So having a to-do list is a great way of planning the tasks that you need to do. To get most out of your list, you should prioritize and schedule your tasks. That is, look at the most urgent and important tasks. Ask yourself, what is the most valuable use of my time right now? When you answer this, you can use the ABC method, where you assign a priority category A, B, C, D, or E to each task based on its urgency and importance. The A, these are very important tasks that have significant implications and demand immediate attention. The B, they are important. These are activities that contribute to your long-term goals and require timely completion. The C, these are nice to do, tasks that hold value but not pivotal to your immediate objectives. And the D, these are the ones that you delegate. Assign tasks that can be handled by others effectively while freeing up your time. Delegate tasks of low priority to other people. Delegate with clarity. Make it clear what you want to be done and when. E is eliminate. Identify tasks that do not contribute substantially to your goals and consider eliminating them if possible. And 3, you need to set time limit to complete a task. In other words, you have to focus. Schedule blocks of time to do tasks, batch similar activities, and lastly, we need to develop a sense of urgency. Break down tasks to avoid procrastination. Thank you for listening to the Crossbite.